potato bake. So these are our homegrown potatoes. You can see we had a few bugs, but they all cut off. Comes up all right. Some of them have got a bit of green where I forgot to cover them with the straw. So I'm using corn flour, cream, milk, parsley, garlic powder, my homemade chicken stock, onion powder, paprika, ground garlic, and well, I've got 2 tablespoons of garlic in there, 2 tablespoons of chicken powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of my smoked chicken stock, 1 tablespoon of paprika, and I think I've got about a tablespoon of garlic powder there. Then I just add 3 tablespoons of corn flour. That'll keep it nice and thick. I'm doing more than 1 potato bake because I'll freeze 2 of them and cook 1 for tea. That's that in, and then I just add probably a cup of milk, cup of cream, good handful of parsley chopped up. I normally add chives too, but the chicken's got into my chives. Then I just give it a good mix up, and then I'll pop it into the fridge while I peel, slice and parboil potatoes. Putting my potato bakes together, so I just put a layer of potatoes that are parboiled down, and then I just get some sliced up onions and put a bit of a sprinkle around on each one. Then I just get some diced bacon and I just put a little bit of that around. Then I just come in with the cheese and we sprinkle cheese all over. This is my homemade cheese. I've just grated it. Put a good serving of cheese on them all. Then we just come in with our potato bake mix. And then we just repeat the process. So I've just got my second layer of potatoes, bacon, onion and cheese, and I'll pour some more sauce on, and then I'll put the third layer on and put extra cheese on top. That's it, finished. I can cover it and put the spare ones in the freezer, and I've got one ready for dinner tonight.